Bro.
I gotta say something.
Bro.
Remember when we made the video, Car Guys Be Like? It wasn't a meme. I actually got it. These movies are so good. Everybody's gonna love it. And click. We got Lambo doors, baby. Vertical Doors Inc. They're helping us out today. Thank you so much. Click the link down below if you want to check it out for your car. They probably have it. They have it for the Mustang. They have it for everything else.
Bro, that was the last monster, bro.
It's not even yours. It's
Was that in the fridge?
no, not your fridge.
Where was that? Bro, that was my monster, bro. Oh, the last one.
Oh, he's just sipping it like he doesn't.
You don't even need it, okay? I was flying a drone. I was like,
Okay, don't you owe me a monster now, bro. Today we're gonna be installing some Lambo doors on this car. This has been a hot meme for a hot second. I literally have been hearing Calvin say this for years about this car. And I haven't always been in full support, but I decided that I'm gonna help make Calvin's dreams come true. And today we have a full kit to make this car literally have the Lambo door. So I don't think it'll be too hard, hopefully. And the installation doesn't look that bad. I remember in the past, whenever we've like looked up these kits, it used to require fabrication and welding, and this kit is a full bolt-on kit, so you don't need anything but literally what you see here: some bag of bolts, a couple brackets, and some hydraulic arms. And we should be able to make this doors go like this. Newbiedrone.com sent us out a little race drone, which is a terrible idea because that's just asking for shit to get destroyed in here.
but I spent the last like 20 minutes figuring this out. And normally you wear them like this, and like the screen is like flipped over so you can see it, but I'm not doing that so we can see what's going on. Right, baby. We're flying. We're flying.
Oh, no, get the thing.
Whoa, damn, Kev. Yo. Oh, Doc. Oh, there's your car. And
it's my car.
I'm a newbie drone.
You know how to do. Bro, that's my car, bro.
It's so much easier outside.
Bro.
When there's nothing to hit.
Damn.
It's pretty sick though, eh?
That's pretty. Oh, God, I just saw it for shorts, bud. Calvin keeps telling me to film himself take off this fender, and I don't know why.
Give me a second.
Dude, it looks like you spray painted your car black. Oh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into.
Yo, I can't believe he drank my last monster, bro.
Bro, that's fucked, bro.
I thought you put it in your hunting coat fridges.
No, bro.
No, bro.
Why is your diff still broken? Just kidding, cut this
Why
out.
are we working on the RX-7?
Cut it out.
Because you sold it? Can you take it off?
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
It's
I'm okay, I'm gonna dump. Dude, I can feel how heavy it is. Like it's like heavy, all the dirt. I'm gonna go to that trash can.
Whoa, that sounded like so much.
That's Calvin for ya.
Hey man, it's not my fault, man.
Shout out to Zebit for sponsoring today's video. With Zebit, you're able to finance certain items without paying interest over time. You're able to pay for the items over time and have 0% interest. They have 0 late fees, they don't check your credit score, and it doesn't impact your credit at all. This is perfect for those who don't have credit cards and haven't established any form of credit yet. Zebit is a really good way for you to finance things that you want right now without having a crazy background history of credit. If you have any questions about Zebit, they have a very detailed FAQ page on their website. Click the link down below at zebit.com/TJHunt to instantly receive up to $2,500 of interest-free credit and to learn more about what they offer.
How's that supposed to go?
This is how it works. This will like bolt in where he is. He goes me.
Does it make that Does it make that noise?
Yeah, it's part of the Lambo doors. Okay, it's an accessory. So you're saying that you don't have to take the door off?
But okay, so you don't.
No. All right, sorry. What are you gonna do? Tell me, because Calvin left the instructions at home.
You what?
I know how to do it.
It was at this moment that TJ knew Calvin was full of shit.
You left them at
I
home.
know how to do it.
Pretty wire intensive. How do we
All right.
Tell us how to do
I'm
it.
gonna fucking smack
Tell
you.
us how to do
time.
it. One more time about that wire, you're getting it.
Tell us how to do
I'm gonna give it to you.
Say it.
Basically what you need to do, tape up the door, put shims in through here, and the door will hang in the air, basically. And you remove these 8 bolts, and you finagle this in there, and then you got it. It's done.
What? Really?
Super easy.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
What about wiring?
Yo, there's wiring involved. What's the wiring? What, you're just gonna like...
How many times do I have to say it?
Okay, boo. Sorry, boo. I told him so many times, and he got He's always like, oh dude, go to the shop early, you gotta deal with the wiring, bro. No, bro. I ain't.
Off camera, Calvin said that Birdie said there was a lot of wiring.
Birdie lied.
Birdie was like, there's
He's
a bunch
a
of wiring.
liar.
Be sure you do that ahead of time.
Liar.
Now you're saying there is wiring.
Liar, plants for hire.
Liar, liar, plants for hire.
I got it. Birdie, you cucked me because it's not that bad. As vindication to Birdie, he did send me to a guy who did install it properly and he didn't have to cut wire.
Are you saying that?
Birdie didn't install it properly? I mean, his is on and works.
What's hiding under door number 2?
Wide body problems.
Wide body.
What is
Calvin
that?
even says, I cleaned this side.
Yeah, I did. No, you didn't. Yeah, I did, bro.
Yeah, it's still dirty though. So the next step is to apply as much tape as you can in hopes that it will hold the door in place so it doesn't fall when you unbolt it from the shins.
Don't do that. What do you do? That does nothing.
Let me see. What do you?
Calvin said just to tape the door, so was.
I didn't say just to tape the door.
There you go, guys.
Oh
It
my-
won't fall. It's
You're
fine.
an idiot.
Just tape. Just tape on it.
You're trying to make me look stupid.
No, what? I'm taping.
I told you not to do that, and you went ahead and did it and saying, well, Calvin told you to do this.
No, you told me to do that. You see, anybody can just lie on camera, Calvin, saying it ain't hard, baby.
But I have more credibility. Who do you believe, me? Or, oh yeah.
Can't even speak. you want us to believe you? You can't speak, bro.
All right.
Unbolt it.
The shims are in. The shims are in. It's Calvin shims.
Top, no offense. I don't think 2 more pieces of tape are gonna stop it from
I'm
falling.
gonna put more tape. Fucking. Okay.
No.
The thing is, you're the worst. If we were watching TJ's tutorial, he'd be like, oh, we gotta go back to page 3 to make sure we did it in order.
Wow, sounds to me like I'm about following the steps. The credibility
and
is
this
there.
is what I'm doing. Following this.
Ow, what the fuck, bro?
I'm tired of you. I'm following the steps like TJ would. But then not when I do that.
Come here.
Ow! Don't pull on my strap. Let's go! Chill, I'm trying to do a good job. This is not.
Okay.
When we rush, what happens is all TJ's cars die. RX-7, boom. 350, boom.
Oh, dude.
Mustang, boom.
None of those are boom.
Anyways.
Let me just do my thing, TJ.
Oh God, hold on. I need you to get to finish.
What are you
All
trying
right.
to say?
The door shims are in. Taping all of this in hopes that it doesn't fall when we unbolt it from the hinges.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're ready.
All that arguing needs to chill.
As Calvin is loosening the brackets for the door, I'm just keeping an eye to make sure that this tape job and the shims actually hold the door in place. The last thing we want is for this to get too loose, the support to be lost, and the door to fall off. Although I don't think it would because technically it's like clipped in over here, but we want to make sure that the door stays in place so the bracket, this new bracket, goes on perfectly. So as Calvin's gonna remove these 8 bolts, I'm just keeping an eye on what the door is doing.
Didn't even. Oh, whoa.
Oh, just a little dab of nut. There's a little nut in there, Calv.
You can't see.
Look at that, dude. Look at that. It's like a little nipple. Look, check it
I
out.
know, ew, bro, ew. Flick your nut.
This ain't my nut. This is your nut.
Why is there goop on that?
It's nut.
Yeah, but
Hey.
What the fuck, bro?
So as the hinges are off the car, we're trying to go as fast as we can because we don't want any slippage to happen.
Oh, my finger.
You good, bro?
Fingers are in the mechanism.
Oh shit. I'm gonna try to thread one as you're holding it. I'll do the long one in the door first. Right? No? Yes? Yeah.
Can you do a short one in the thing so I don't have to hold it up?
Yeah, I got you. Do you know when we put on the hydraulic arm?
Once we make it,
Let me just tighten this down.
I don't think it's the same size.
Calvin last minute forgot that you have to clean up a piece of the little support bracket for the thing to fit flush. So taking it off really quick. Hinge test part 1.
oh, she dropped.
It should drop because it doesn't have the support bracket on there.
Did a little bit? Oh, it dropped a lot.
What happened?
It dropped a lot. I can't close the door.
Okay. Just lift it. Lift the door.
I just came into the kitchen. I went to grab a drink and I owe Kevin an apology. Because, boys, there's one left. Oh, that's coming to Dad. I owe Kev Jumba an apology.
What's that smug ass face you got?
Jumba?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I accept.
Wait, you knew?
I accept your apology.
You knew?
I just want to see how mad you get.
You knew.
Why would I tell you?
You played me. You played me.
Now you look like a fool on camera.
No, you
look like a fool.
No, I don't.
You look like a fool, bro.
Where did you get that other one?
From the fridge.
There was only one left this morning.
You look with your eyes, not your mouth.
You told Alicia to buy this, didn't you?
No. You helped her bring in the food.
Yeah, you dumb idiot. You look dumb right now. You look
I
dumb.
feel dumb. I'm sorry, Kev. All right, test 2. Stuck. Test fail.
So,
after 2 failed attempts on trying to get our door open, right now both these doors will not open. They like budge just a little bit and then they're stuck. We've been sitting here staring at the mechanism trying to figure out why this hinge isn't opening. After about an hour of not being able to figure it out, Calvin eventually redirected his attention back to the instructions, which is what I live by. Always follow the instructions so you don't have little minor things like this happen.
fucking hate you.
Then he remembered doors aren't just a hinge. They're a hinge plus a support system. Often has like little notches so your door can like, you know, stay open without closing on itself. With my BRZ, you can use this for reference. I know there's not much lighting in here. But you see on the inside of the door, there's a little peg with an arm. That is what allows the door to stay open, like right here. There's like a quarter one, and there's like a half, and there's a full. That is still on the car. We never took that off. And now because the access point of the pivoting is changed and it's farther back, just by physics.
I told you to move that.
I kicked that so many times.
Kicked it twice.
What is it? Is it the geometry of you take the anomaly and you divide it by its denominator, which is, I cheated off you, Kev, that's how. And you let me cheat, so don't try and blame me for it.
No, we did it. Hey.
It used to, what?
Hey, don't cheat, children.
Mr. Liao, TJ did not cheat off me. I didn't let him cheat off me.
Yes, you did.
Hey, I saw him again.
You slid me all the answers.
No, I didn't do that.
The door originally pivoted from here.
you guys do the strong
now
man.
it's pivoting from here, and it doesn't open. It just doesn't open.
Axis, move. Here was here.
It used to be an acute angle, now it's an obtuse. So when you take the derivative of the equation and
Stay in school, kids. This is what happens.
and you divide it by 2.
Okay, you guys need to hold the door open.
All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna unbolt the door from the car.
We're gonna have to remove this whole thing because we'll still run into the issue. Okay, doesn't matter. Set up the camera. I need you guys to hold the door.
If we drop the door, man, that's gonna make for some great content. We should drop it, Kev.
Don't drop my door. Oh,
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
nothing. It's in the air. The door. You gotta be the hinge.
Hurry up,
Oh, it's not the right one. Shit, I'm sorry, bro. Oh shit.
Give her a lift, bud. It's better be a Lambo door. Oh, the wires are gonna split. Ah! Oh my gosh. You want me to do that?
Wires are stuck. Put her back down. Put her back down. Yes, yes.
You sure? I don't think they're stuck. Whoa. Will that work?
Close the door.
It doesn't feel like that thing's working.
Because
it's not in.
Up. You wanna help Tej? You wanna help Tej?
I got it.
You got it? Up more.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Look how crazy it goes up.
That is so much up. Like, that is so much up.
It's so up. It's so up, bro. Bro.
Dude, it's like...
Bro.
Is it straight? Is it good? Is it sturdy? This is our closed test with Calvin inside the car.
Dude, it's not easy.
It's
not easy.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. It's that tough?
There we go.
He's like, uh-oh.
I mean, you can just open it normal. See? And get out.
That defeats the purpose of having Lambo doors.
I know.
It will probably take a while for that strut to loosen up, right? That's my guess, because struts go bad eventually, or break in, quote unquote.
Yeah, they break in, for sure. Or I could just add some more weight to this door.
Don't do that. That's stupid. Close the hood for the first look, Calv.
For the first look, Tej.
Yeah. Dude, looks sick.
Dude, it's Lambo doors.
It looks sick.
Lambo doors.
Calvin had to do some cutting on the inside of this fender well right here. You can notice you can like kind of see the inside. We had to modify that to get this to fit. So we need to do that on the other side still. And that's not bolted in, but we were just doing a test clearance fit. Dude, it looks proper. like you can't tell like there's big bulky hinges behind that. It looks like it's supposed to.
But it's a little wonk, the doors. You look at it from this dead on.
No, dude, it's good. I have to get home to dinner tonight, so unfortunately, we don't want to rush this tonight, so we're gonna come back tomorrow morning and pick this up from right here, and we'll do a hard mount on everything and get our door fitments good and see how this thing looks when it's all said and done. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Day 2.
I don't know if TJ explained this to you.
I did. I already told them. They now know it's day 2.
Everything clears. Fenders are bolted. They're down.
Show them how it looks, Calv.
It works!
Lambo doors are here.
It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous.
We have to hide that one red and black wire that's sitting right there. That's irrelevant. That was from when Calvin had light strips on his car. But these are both on. Both of our fenders are on. Now all we have to do is put the side skirts back on, put the wheels back on, put the front bumper back on, put it down, and get a final look, Calv.
I think she's good.
No, it's good. I'm hyped. It came out really good.
So hyped. I might wash my car. We'll see. I also cleared some space underneath the fender so that my tires don't rub. Because clearly, bad.
Yeah, Calvin has an issue.
It's okay, I'll just drive.
We have new tires for him. He's got to put
If
them
they
on.
blow out, you know who I'm calling. TJ.
Not me. Yeah, me. I'll be there. Hand you my AAA card so you can deal with it. The one design flaw that we're noticing about this. The struts, I guess, are so new that they are very, 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 very tough to pull the door down. Always from when you're sitting inside the car. When you're on the outside, it's very easy to have the leverage to push it down, but when you're sitting down pulling at that angle, it's kind of difficult. It looks good, man. I'm not gonna lie. As much as my inner soul wants to hate it,
dude, it's good.
I wouldn't do it to my car,
Dude.
but it looks pretty good.
It's good. It's good.
Wow. I want to see how tough it is to get in the car. Everyone that I've seen try to pull the doors down struggles with it. Let's see how hard it really is. It's so hard.
Okay, hold on.
Is that rule? Oh, we need to fix that.
I'm gonna fix that when I go home. That's a struggle. I hope it gets better over time. It should.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so Calvin.